types of chalk. Purpose to study the structure of chalk and to prove its benefits and harms in human life. The history of chalk formation in order to learn everything about chalk. I read various scientific literature and analyzed materials from the internet. There was a Cretaceous period on Earth when chalk appeared.
According to the information I found on the internet, the development of chalk processing is currently underway in the Tbilisi of Kazakhstan.
In nature, the chemical is found in a variety of forms, including shellfish and coral, pearls and eggshells. Calcium is also present in the minerals of water, giving it hardness.
Where is chalk used? No school is compared without chalk. Chalk is used to write notes on the schoolboard. In design, chalk is used as a dietary supplement in a case of calcium deficiency. Its use has a good effect on strengthening nails, teeth, and the bones. I took 6 pieces of chalk and sprinkled each one with a drop of iodine. I found that stage can change the color of iodine. Iodine stains turned a piece of chalk blue-violet, but the colors of the other piece have not changed. That is, it indicates that other models contain glue as an additive.
I got 2 plates, I poured water into the first and a little vegetable oil into the second. I put in each bowl. Chalk absorbs water very quickly and oil less, but the dish looked dry. The result, chalk dries the skin of the hands because it absorbs water and vegetable oil.
These pieces of chalk are placed on a shelf where iron tools are placed. Rust will not occur.
Conclusion. I found all the ways of using chalk, how it affects human health. I made recommendations on the safe use of chalk. I have prepared a feast on using